Okay, so I'm just gonna finish popping this bearing out of here. I hit it too hard. I'm just easing it out a little bit at a time. I want to keep it. There it goes. So there we go. So there's the gigantic worm gear that's the knife hub. Okay, so now we can take this I'm not sure how this gear's on here. It looks like there's a there's a tie on there. So it's a wire. That's interesting. And I don't think I'll be able to replace this gear, but it is pretty worn out. But I think with some clean this all up and with some fresh gear oil in there, that thing's going to run for another 80 years probably. So